this day my daily bread. Forgive me all my trespasses, and lead me not into dismay, but let me pray upon the highest hill. Let me know the beauty of thy will, and from it let me not stray, but deliver me from negativity. Baptize me in your majesty. Christen me with the love that is free. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done. When I realize that we are one, and only with these eyes do I see. Thy word is heard from mountains high, in valleys low, through summer skies, in lands of war and lands where there is peace. Te Malkuta Nev Kadeshima Metode Lahe Wahela Wateshbukta. From Catholic saints to Hindu names, and Buddhist chants through Zen refrains, bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Bless all the paths our feet walk to be free. Baruch atah Adonai, Om Shanti El Shaddai, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.